Surprise! I'm not in India without Mr. Gautam and without my kids, traveling with the Bahrain tourism. Today is a very chill day here. ये तो बाथरूम ही फुल टर्किश हमाम है अपना. सो आई हैव कम फॉर अ हमाम, बड़ा ही फैंसी टाइप. बाहर आज कुछ ज़्यादा ही विंडी है. इस जगह का नाम ही नहीं है सिर्फ बहरीन, यहाँ बहरीन भी बहुत होती है. Hello, thank you.
Welcome.
Hi everyone! Surprise! I'm not in India, I'm in Bahrain. I am traveling but without Mr. Gautam and without my kids. So in my vlogs, आज आपको दिखने वाली हूँ सिर्फ मैं. But I thought I'll record it. I'm here for work. Work क्या है? That I'm traveling with the Bahrain tourism, a hotel chain called Jumeirah. आपने नाम सुना ही होगा. So this is the new airport. And आते ही ये दिख गया. Now I'm missing Anu and Aizu. Basically एक resort है. But they want to promote their property and the tourism here. So that's what I'm here for. And I'm traveling with these girls, which you can't see the faces, but eventually in the vlog you're going to see them. Oh, one we saw. Hello, hi. Hi. So yes, that's the plan. And keep watching. The hospitality is so good. ये already हमारे bags इन्होंने ला के, इनको कैसे पता है, सब tags वैग देख के रख ली हैं. Now we are going to the hotel, which is about half an hour from here. Honestly, I was in two minds कि मैं आऊँ कि मैं नहीं आऊँ बच्चों को छोड़ के. Obviously, I get separation anxiety still, especially with Aiza, and because I'm still feeding. I will pump and dump here so that when I reunite. By the way, I'm here for 3 days. तो मैं यहाँ पे मतलब 3 days है, 2 nights है. Third night is going to be in the flight when we go back. Flight was about 3.5 hours, but very comfy flight. So yes, now today's plan is we'll check into the hotel, we'll rest in our rooms 2-3 hours, and then we're doing the Turkish hammam. This is going to be my first hammam, so I am excited. All in Africa, like why should we? Super excited to see the hotel also. I saw in the pictures. How far is it?
It's up to 40 minutes.
40 minutes, okay.
It's around 50 kilometers away.
Around 50 kilometers away. हम पहुंच गए हैं. This is the hotel. Can you see the sea? No. I'll show you. So for people who don't know, Bahrain is also a very hot wedding destination. यहाँ बहुत सारी weddings होती हैं, high profile weddings, but also turns out cheaper than Jaipur or Udaipur. I'm not trying to not promote anything, but I'm telling you, a lot of people do this because it's luxury at its best. Yes, thank you. What is this? Arabic tea?
Arabic coffee.
Thank you. 1, 2, 3, go!
only for females and gym for mixed.
Okay.
Also, you have here our outlets. So you have Papa Bahar, our all-day dining.
Finally got our room keys. Today is a very chill day here. I mean, I'm going to rest in the room for a bit and then go for the hammam and then do like a little bit of lunch. Uske baad there's a hotel tour because this hotel property is so big that we need a tour of the whole thing. तो वो होएगा शाम में. So it's a chill day and dinner is also at the hotel. There are a couple of restaurants. There's one Arabic restaurant. There's one Italian restaurant. So I think we're doing the Italian dinner today. Now we're going to our rooms. Be ready for the room tour. And this is my room. Let's go. कहाँ लगाना है यहाँ पे? देखते हैं. I'm very excited. Ta-da! ये है बेड हमारा और ये है बैल्कनी जो मेन बात होती है हर जगह पे. ओके. और है ये हमारा बड़ा प्यारा व्यू. मैं तो नहीं जा रही नीचे ब्रेकफास्ट करने. मैं सोना चाहूँगी कम से कम 2 घंटे. ये तो बाथरूम ही फुल टर्किश हमाम है अपना. नाइस. Oh, and this is the wardrobe. So I've come for a hammam. बड़ा ही fancy type का यहाँ पे बनाया हुआ है. They told me this hammam is a mix of Moroccan spa and the traditional Turkish hammam. So they've combined both. So they're also going to do a massage. They are also going to do the hammam bath and some scrubs and all that. So I'm excited. पता नहीं, I think maybe cameras are not allowed. शायद मैं दिखा नहीं पाऊँगी, but this is what I've come for. I love experiencing new things, and that's what we are doing here. I am ready for the hammam. I think I have to leave my phone here. Taken a shower cap क्योंकि मैं बाल घर से धो के आई थी और आज मेरा धोने का बिल्कुल कोई प्लान नहीं है, इसलिए कल धोऊंगी. So shower cap is important. बस अब करते हैं hammam. I'll tell you how it was. Wow, this looks so nice. The hammam. Can you see this, guys? It's smelling so good. I'm allowed my phone for just 2 minutes and then I'm going to enter the bath. ये ऊपर देख रहे हो कितना सुंदर है. हाँ, anyway, अब मैं रख रही हूँ phone. Bye. Hello everyone. So I am ready. I'll show you my look. बाहर आज कुछ ज़्यादा ही विंडी है. वेदर दिख रहा है आपको? ऐसे नहीं पता चलेगा. पर वो कह रहे हैं कुछ एक्स्ट्रा विंड्स चल रही हैं, तो बोट राइड कैंसिल हो गई है और इसीलिए हम लोग जा रहे हैं. कहाँ जा रहे हैं? हाँ, नीचे लॉबी में भी मिलना है. उसके बाद हम कोई आउटडोर बार है, पता नहीं क्या है, वहाँ पे जा रहे हैं. So yes, that's the plan, and it's just a chill day. There's not much to do. There are no agendas as such. ये करना है, वो करना है. It's more like relaxing and enjoying the property. And Bahrain is a very small country. Tomorrow we'll be going out. Today they kept it very relaxed and they didn't want it to be hectic because obviously it was a very early morning flight. We are all very tired. So that's why sent us for the hammams and did this little hotel के अंदर के activities. And boat ride was also from here only, but अब वो हो नहीं पा रही है. So yeah, keep watching. Oh, look तो दिखा दूँ. Wait. By the way. Thank you. If you're ready, then here's the look. Like this. गौतम को बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद ये धोती पोती स्टाइल, बट आई रियली लाइक इट. ऐसा ही मैंने एक ड्रेस पहना था बैंकॉक में भी, इफ यू गाइस रिमेंबर. बट यस, वेरी इजी पीजी, रिलैक्स्ड, ब्रीजी, सब है एंड ऑल्सो कवर्ड. सॉरी, आई हैड टाइड इट रॉन्ग. दिस इज हाउ इट गोज. Actually, when I was showing you, then I saw कि ये तो wrong पहन लिया मैंने. Also, regarding the dressing, a lot of people must be having those questions. Only when you're in public, going out of the property, that time you have to dress modestly. And with modestly means just a little covered clothing, not too revealing. I mean, normal dresses and everything is totally fine. But when you're at the property, you can wear anything you want, even if you want to be in your bikini at the pool area, or like your these kind of dresses, or anything, even if it's very short, you can just wear anything. So I just wanted to give you an update on that. ये क्या तूफान आ गए बहरीन में. मौसम का हाल कुछ इस प्रकार का है. हाँ, तो मौसम का हाल कुछ ऐसा है बाहर. ऐसे लग रहा है बारिश होने वाली है. इस जगह का नाम ही नहीं है सिर्फ बहरीन, यहाँ बहरीन भी बहुत होती है. These are the current updates from Bahrain. So this was the boat ride that we were supposed to do, but because it's so windy, we didn't do it. But we are going to do this on Friday before we leave. So this is a whole canal which goes through the whole property, and 15 minutes की होती है boat ride. So in total there are like 7 pools in this property. This is one of them. This is the biggest one. It has a lazy river also. We are coming here on Friday again and doing it. Tomorrow we are going out and exploring the city. Also we are going to be exploring the hotel only because it's so huge. By the way, मैं यहाँ पे सिर्फ pump and dump कर रही हूँ, तो मैं बिल्कुल alcohol पी सकती हूँ. Also Bahrain is very liberal like that. Girls can go to bars here, have alcohol, and nobody really questions about your dressing also. So it's quite liberal that way. So yeah, that's the plan. अब हम लोग इसके बाद I think after sunset we are just going to sit in. There's an Italian restaurant here and a bar. We're just going to go for some drinks and yummy food. So we are doing a lot of photo shoots right now. All possible poses from all possible cameras. I'm done with mine.